Hi friends, this is Dattatreya from Smiley Sathik YouTube channel. In this video, let's talk about multiplications of algebraic equations with large powers. Okay. In before video, we learned two equations, algebraic equations like 2a plus 3b into 4a plus 5b. In this way, we learned two algebraic expressions with multiplication with only single powers. Okay, let's learn one time more. Okay, first what we shared there, a b the variables should be entered because they are there in every equation. So a b variables are entered. For a is known as variables, and before a one number will be there, that is called as coefficient. Now, say me what are the coefficients before a in both equations 2 and 4. So write both equations 2 and 4. Now, before b variable, what are the coefficients present in two equations 3 and 5? We wrote those. Now multiply these both numbers, okay, 23 and 45. First one is these two, 3 5s are 15. Leave space. This is nothing but plus. Next, cross multiplication. 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12. 10 plus 12, nothing but 22. Next, do plus, next 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now, you should know one formula, that is a plus b whole square. In this formula, you should expand a square plus 2ab plus b square. No. In this formula, you should write only a square, ab, b square here. So, a square, ab, b square. Okay. That is the answer for this equation, both equations. Now let's try for this how to do. Okay, let's try for that. Now let's see these both equations how to multiply with larger powers. It means before now what we took equation, they did not contain powers. Okay, these equations contains powers. Okay, let's try. First, what I said before, only what are the variables present you should enter like that. Okay, so x square, x coefficients, write those. X square variable, x variable. For coefficient, no variable will be there now. So just keep like this. Okay. Now for x square, what are the coefficients in two equations? 2 and 3. So 2 and this is 3. Okay. Two equations should be written. Okay. Now for x coefficients, what are the values before? It means nothing but for x variable, what are the coefficients before? Here 1, nothing, if anything not there means 1 is there, so 1, here 2. Now what are the coefficients left here? 3 and 4. Write those. Now do multiplications for 2, 1, 3 and 3 to 4. Okay, let's try. First one is do this both multiplication. 3 4s are 12. Keep like this. Next, cross multiplication. 4 1s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Nothing but 10. Next, like this. Next, 3. Okay, 3 we should do. Nothing but 2 4s are 8. 3 3s are 9. 2 1s are 2. Nothing but 8 plus 2. 10 plus 1, 9, 19. Okay. For this 5 numbers should come. Okay. Here 3 came. Here 2 will come. Okay. I divided already. Now these two. Okay. 1 2. Now okay, like this now. 2 2s are 4. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 3 6 1 7. Okay. Now 2 3s are 6. Now don't forget to keep these are the positive signs, nothing but plus. Okay. Now what you should do means, first observe the equation. If you observe x square, x square, x square into x square, x power 4. So first one is x power 4 now. So write x power 4. Decrease 1 power. So x cube. Decrease 1 power. X square. Decrease 1. X. Here nothing but x power 0. If x power 0 there also no problem, so no need to write. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay. By normal method. This now I explained Vedic maths. Now let's try normally. Okay friends. So 2x square plus 3x square into 3x square. So 2 3 is a 6, x square and x square. 6x power 4 plus 2x square into 2x. 4x cube plus 2x square plus 4. 2 4s are 8x square plus 1x 3x square. 1 3s are 3x cube plus 1x into 2x 2x square plus 1x into 4 nothing but 4x plus 3 3s are 9x square plus 3 2s are 6x. Next remaining is 3 4s are 12. Now add these all. First do what is means x power 4 terms what are there, write those. Only 6x power 4 is there, so write 6x power 4 as it is. Next t plus. Now x cube terms 4x cube and 3x cube. 4 plus 3 nothing but 7x cube plus x square terms 8x square. Next 2x square nothing but 10x square plus 9x square 19x square plus now x terms 4x plus 6x nothing but 10x plus 12. This is the answer. I hope you got it. Let's try this example and close our session. Now first what you said there, x square x dash. Keep same. Okay. Now write the values. I am going to write 1, 2. You should remember here is for x coefficient there is minus 1. So write with sign. If there is minus you should write with sign. Next here plus 3 nothing but 3. Next 5 and minus 2. Okay. Now first, next like this. For first time you will think like what is this, like this, there, like that. So 5 2s are 10. 5 plus into minus, minus 10. Okay. Now keep brackets and keep plus. Okay. If there are both two signs here, you should keep plus. Next, cross multiplication. Minus into minus, plus 2. So 2 1s are 2, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 nothing but 17. So 17x. Okay. I am writing first all variables, okay, with including. I will tell you how it came, okay. It means nothing but here and how it is I am writing there nothing but. Now 3 times. So 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 5 plus 10 nothing but 5. So plus 5x square plus next these 2. 3 1s are 3. 2 1s are 2 minus 2 nothing but so 1. So 1x cube nothing but x cube also you can write. Next plus. Now we done this one. Now write this. 2 1s are 2 x power 4. Okay. Now you should not leave like this. Here we should do solve this. So 2x power 4 plus 1x cube plus 5x square plus 17x. Here plus into minus is nothing but minus. Minus 10 is the answer. Okay. Now I will give some questions. Please do at your home so you can get regular practice. Okay. I hope you captured this one. Okay. Let's take this normal also, normal type. Now 1x square into 2x square. Nothing but 1 2s are 2x power 4. 2x power 4 plus 1x square plus 3x. Nothing but 3x cube plus 1x square minus 2. 1 minus plus into minus minus. So write minus. Now 1 2s are 2x square. Minus 2x square. Next plus minus. Minus 1 into 2. Nothing but 2x cube. Next one is minus 1x into 3x. Nothing but minus 3x square. Next minus 1x into minus 2. Nothing but minus into minus plus 2 plus 5 into 2. 10x square plus 5 3s are 15x. 5 into minus 2, nothing but minus 10. Okay, solve these. So 2x power 4, what are the terms? This term and there, so write 2x power 4. Next, 3x cube, x cube means 3x cube. Only there it seems, no, somewhere, see, 3x cube minus 2x cube, nothing but x cube. So 1x cube. Next, plus, now x square terms, minus 2x square minus 3x square minus 5x square minus 5x square plus 10x square, nothing but 5x square plus, now x terms are nothing but this and 15x here plus 2x. Okay, nothing but 17x minus 10. Okay, that is the left. So you got the answer. Okay, same answer. 2x power 4 plus 1x cube plus 5x square plus 17x minus 10. Okay, now I will give some more sums. Okay, if you want a screenshot, you can take this. Okay, now I will give some more sums. Please do it at your home. Some more sums. First one, x square plus 2x plus 3, 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and next one is 2x square plus 3x plus 5, x square plus 2x plus 2. These both questions I am giving to you. Please do at your home. Okay, and thanks for watching till end this video. I hope you got something from this video, and I hope you got so much knowledge, and thanks for watching till end. And if you are watching my channel for first time, please subscribe, like and share to your family members, and if any member wants this video, please share to them and increase my subscribers, so I will make more videos like this. And our next video consists of special features of algebraic equations with multiplication only. Okay, next method I will do in my next video. Thank you. Bye friends.